That's really deep, isn't it?
Yeah. That's what happens when you follow a guy with 37-inch wheels.
Yeah. Follow the red guy. Yes, 37. That is completely stuck.
This is not going to work. Your dad's car's just going to go up.
Yeah, it's gonna slide.
We're going to need to call Jason. See?
Yeah.
Oh no, but
We're coming out. A bit.
no, both are moving.
Yeah, that car's just sliding you along.
Oh, the slide show's over. Oh no, it's back on. It's back on.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, we're nearly out. We're nearly out. Nearly out, nearly out. Not much left. Yep, you're right. Until the back wheel starts getting stuck in the mud. That was quite a stuck. You got quite stuck there.
Let's see the mud.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's about as big as you can get, like, until you go like comp style.
There was some force on that then.
Yeah.
It up.
Oh, look at that. That's come like right off.
Yeah, the clips are broken.
Yeah, the clips are
The
broken.
clips are broken off.
Yeah, the clips
The
are
clips
broken.
are broken.
That's right. We can fix that. Sky, get out of there.
You're not coming in there?
Alright, stand back.
Look at the mud on those wheels.
Stand back.
Stand back, crew. Out. Finally. Look at that. That's where it got stuck. Stuck there. But that's what you get from going straight after a 37-inch person who's gone. Yeah, he bottomed out heaps.
We bottomed out? Wonder how the red car did that.
I don't know, he's got 37-inch.
But look at that side and then to that, compared to that side.
I don't know.
Tim to the rescue again.
Oh, you love it, eh?